Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, and we've got a product in for Noreve. We haven't seen them in a bit, but stay tuned for more from them. And it's a case, and a very luxurious case for one of our devices. And it will be the Galaxy Z Flip5. So, if you're not familiar with the company, you always get nice packaging like so, very well presented. Get this drawstring leather bag. Now we've got a sticker or a card, and this is what you will get inside. This is for the phone that we have now, one of the phones we have, and you can see the makeup of this and the quality of material that's in this. We're going to give you a shot or a look, as we say, at their site first before we move on and show you what this looks like on the device, because it really spruces up the look of your phone. So this is the Noreve website here. You can see it does all kinds of Samsung devices, not just the Flip 5. And you've got two choices. You've got the pouch and the second skin. Now you do have a range of colours and fabrics to pick from, 99 more there. And if you go in here, for example, you can go in here and see what customization levels that you get. And that's pretty much it there. So you have smooth leather, and you've got grained, special, Saffiano leather, and iconic premium smooth. Now the cases are expensive, but they are worth every cent. But that's the lineup there that they have got for the Galaxy devices at the minute, and you can customize in here. You have different colors as well, and you've grained, patent, new book, special, vegan texture, Saffiano, iconic smooth, and patina. So you can get quilted as well, customization options with text. We've done some case before with Noreve's customization. I'll actually try to get that case out now. And that's pretty much it. And then you can get other bits and pieces as well: snap hook, wrist strap, necklace, shoulder strap, and a bag there. So you can order all them separately if you wish to do so. Now if we go back to the front page here, you can see they do all devices. So you go into smartphone, they've Apple, Samsung, Google, others, OnePlus, Sony, and you've got all these other options in here, what they do. So do check out their website, and you can really spruce up your goods, or your mobile phone, laptop or tablet, whatever the case is, and have really a luxurious look to your device. So back on to a review of the new case. It's the same kind of colour that we've got before. See, this is from our S23 Ultra here. You have our name written on the back, just to give you some kind of idea as to what you can do. Now the first thing I'm probably going to say is the price, but the price is worth it. I've been using these for a long time and have them on my devices when possible. And if you just look at the quality here, you can see the name here again, and you've got the logo here, which is metal or aluminium, and you can see the stitching as well going around, and really is just excellent materials. And you can see here the cover for the front. So currently I have an OtterBox on, which I'm going to change and pop on this guy. So that's my Flip 5 there, one of the devices that I'm using at the minute. And you'll just simply pop these on. There's nothing really to them, and that's all there is to it. So we'll just pop it on. And it'll just clip on like so, and that's it there. Job is done. So you can see how it will fit on your device, and you can see when it is opened like so, you still have access to your parts here. You do have a bit of a lip around the front there, so it means you can put your device face down, which is kind of handy. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that's pushed in all the way. And if you have a look from the side here, it looks well too. You have access to your buttons there, and that's just going to look like down here up close, and again on this side here. So you have protection all the way around, which is important, apart from the top bar here as such, but it feels really nice in the hand to hold. And you can see you have a really big lip on the front here to protect the front screen. So you put your device down like this, like this and like that. So your device is protected all around, which is nice and handy and good to see. So lastly up, we're going to try wireless charging, as people always ask when you have leather cases, and let's have a look. And there you go, wireless charging, no problem. And it's still plenty there for this to work through, as you can see, and no problem whatsoever there. It works really well, and it does charge your phone every single time you pop it on. There's no problem there at all. So that's about it. Really luxurious, really nice. Protection all around, and as you can see, size protected all there too. Easy access to your keys, nice grip on it as well, and looks really neat and does spruce up your device. And that's pretty much it for the Noreve Samsung Flip 5 case. Check it out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up, and do check out what else they have on site, and stay tuned for more coming from Noreve for some other devices that we have here. And that's basically it there in a nutshell. You can see all around there up close that there is no problems with any corner of this at all. The only kind of blank space this here, but it's pretty common in most cases. But nonetheless, it looks really well and feels really good to hold as well, and it spruces up your phone. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So we're just going to finish this one off again with some photos up close. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for more tech reviews. Hands on coming soon. See you in the next one.